Hey you guys, what is up? So if you do not know who I am, hi guys, my name is Mansi and this is my YouTube channel, obviously. And I don't know what I've done there with the backdrop. I hope it looks good and something fresh and new than that plant over there. So I hope you guys like this. Also, thank you so much for 30,000 subscribers. Our family is growing and I'm really grateful for it. Also, thank you for showing a lot of love on my previous videos that I uploaded. It means a lot to me. Now coming to today's video, this has been requested a lot of times, but I was not really sure about filming it because for me posing comes like very naturally, like it's different for different people, but because it was requested by you guys so much, I thought I should sit down and make a video and tell you guys some of my go-to poses. Also, for the second half of the video, I will be discussing the common mistakes that people normally make while posing, so stay tuned for that. Also, now without further any blabbering, let's just get into it. So this first one is called the fox eyes, and if you scroll through my feed you'll see that I'm obsessed with this one, mainly because it gives your face like this really beautiful lift when you do it, and it looks really aesthetic as well. So this one's called Towards the Camera. I think this one is like super trendy. It's all over Instagram and it is a really easy way to add some depth to your pictures. So this next one is called the graceful flow. This is something that I do a lot and is actually one of my favorite ways to come up with some really unique poses. This one's called Touch Your Chin. So this pose should be your go-to pose when it comes to taking some close-up portraits, and you're gonna nail it. So this one's called the low angle. So taking low angle pictures is like one of my favorite things to do. It is so much fun and you can get really creative with this one as well. This technique will give your pictures a really high fashion photography type of a look. Now coming to some of the most common mistakes that people normally make while posing. So number one would be covering your face while posing. So I personally feel like this is one of the most common mistakes that people make, and I've seen a lot of people do this. I myself have made this mistake a lot of times. Like when you pose, you get carried away and sometimes you might just cover your face with your hands or your prop, which is not the best thing to do because you are the subject of your portrait and that needs to be the thing that is very what I mean to say is that you are the main focus of your portrait, you are the subject, so you should be clearly visible. Now the second one is also something that I keep telling my friends and like anyone who is clicking pictures in front of me, because this is a very common mistake that a lot of people make. So normally while clicking portraits, I have noticed that when they want to give their side profile, people completely turn their heads to the right or the left, and it does not really look very flattering, and also people look at the complete right or left with their eye, which is also not very flattering when it comes to photography. I feel like your picture looks a lot more elegant when you're looking diagonal and not completely to the right or left. So this is the next mistake that I've seen a lot of people make, especially when you're taking pictures from the low angle. So people tend to keep their chin really high up even when they're taking pictures from the low angle, which they shouldn't really do, because you're already being photographed from a low angle and you do not need to put your chin up because this is the only thing that's going to be seen. So the trick here is to keep your chin a little bit down when you're taking pictures from the low angle so that your face is completely seen. So yeah. Now this fourth one is for all you girls out there. I have also made these mistakes and I have seen a lot of people also make these mistakes, is covering their face while taking the photos. You have a beautiful face, so put your hair back and show that. Now this fifth one is something that you really need to be careful when you're taking pictures in, like, sunlight, or like harsh sunlight, or like during golden hour. I know there are like objects all around us, and we sometimes tend to have like some random shadows popping on our face, which does not look flattering. This has happened to me a lot of times, and most of the times I don't even realize that it's happening until at the end of the photo shoot I see the pictures and I get disappointed because the picture looks so good but that shadow is just ruining it. Most of the times the shadow comes from your tripod, so please take care of that because we do not want anything covering our subject. So there you go guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this video was also helpful for you. I've also made a lot of other videos related to self-portraits, and I have also made a playlist for you. I will be linking it somewhere here. If you're not already following me on my Instagram, then do not forget to do that. This is my Instagram. I post there every single day actually, yeah. And I also share a lot of other tips on there, so do not forget to follow me there. I also post a lot of behind the scenes videos on my TikTok as well, so you can also go and check that out. Now I think it is time for me to sign off, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and till then stay beautiful. Bye bye.